If you want to use microSD card with your POCO C85, then what you have to do is you need to take a look at the left side of the phone where we can find the SIM tray. Over here, right next to the SIM tray, we also have the SIM tray hole, and we can use the eject tool that you can find inside the box in order to, of course, pop out the SIM tray. So we can put it into the SIM tray hole, there we go, and then use a little bit of force in order to push it into the phone. There we go. Now, the SIM tray slightly popped out, so we can partially take it out from the phone, just like that. We don't have to fully take it out. It is not really necessary if you just want to, for example, insert the memory card. In this case, we have the full access to our memory card slot, so we can just put it into the correct slot over here. And once you do that, you can just slide it back into the phone, just like that. If it doesn't want to go fully in, then just make sure that the card is properly inserted. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and please subscribe to my channel.